Ito ni butang sa ref. Aling Milo din. Los, kayo siya kay Ariel. Asa ginigitang din? Okay guys, kuyugi ko. Ito ni ibutang sa kusina. Ang mantika. So, paano sila? Ako yung ibutang dyan. Just wait for me. Magpabongga na lang kayo. Ano ka na ako ibutang ka dyan? Ay! Okay. So, kami guys ito yung ilabay.
In the end, this is still the deepest hole ever dug.
Hugaw mo. Kasurahan ka na. Arap ka na. Abay. Wait. Wait. Wait ka lang. No, wait. Wait. Ay, bakit may sabon? Wait lang, no, wait. Cherries. Sapato na ito.
What's the meaning? Sixth sense for detecting which women are wearing wigs and full frames. His wig detector sense is even being with a boyfriend won't save them from his pranks.
This is the house, so you got me, baby. So, video ko kasaka. Kahit video ko kodira ko magsusaka sa ko. But wherever you go, that's I follow. So, sana naman comment na ako. Please na, please. Kilala niyo ba ako? Ako to si Eden. Eden with Garden. Eden na tirahan nila. Adan at Eva. So, goodbye sa inyo. Please like, subscribe to my YouTube channel. and link. Go to bell on my YouTube. Please. Right here or down. This down. Comment and right here down.